Hey, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to create Polynesian tattoo designs in Procreate using my brush set. It's a fairly quick way to get some interesting ideas. So let's get started. Okay, let's start by picking a body part. So a new layer. And you can use drawn body parts, or you can use a photo, of course. I'm gonna go for a half sleeve in this case. I'm gonna pick this one. These body parts are in the brush set. I will link it in the description if you want to use it. Let's pick red. Make it a little bit larger. Nice in the center. Let's fill the whole page. Something like that. Okay, and usually I would just draw the whole composition straight on the arm of the client. I would encourage you to practice that as well. But in the beginning, I can imagine that it is a lot easier to use a brush set like this. So I'm gonna make a new layer. Go to the Polynesian Brushset and pick the pencil. I'm gonna use blue and just make a rough outline of the composition you want to use. If I do a half sleeve, I like to make a big piece on the shoulder, because you can use the shape of the shoulder to make a really nice centerpiece that draws your attention. And then a half sleeve would be above the elbow, go here. If you do a 3/4 sleeve, it will be over the elbow. And if you do a full sleeve, of course, it would extend all the way to the wrist. So half sleeve would be here. And then I like to end it with a band this. And to make it a little bit more interesting, I use overlapping pieces. So something like this usually is pretty nice. Maybe 2 bands ended. So now I have a rough idea where the individual pieces will come. You can make this a little bit lighter, turn the opacity down. Now I'm going to create a new layer. The color will be black, of course. And now I'm just going to build the centerpiece on the shoulder. So you see I have all these separate elements. Rings to create circular pieces. Then I have all the individual bands. Curved ones as well. Then I have masks. Some other pieces. And then I also have the bands combined. Give you some inspiration. Yeah, and even more elements. So for this design, let's start with this one. Make a new layer. A little bigger. New layer. Another one. Make it bigger. Last one. Okay, let's combine these layers. So I have the top one selected. Swipe this to the right, that one. Pinch them together. Now you have one layer. Let's adjust the size. Now you have one design. So if you actually want to tattoo this, you can print this design out. But now we're going to work further with this one. So now let's make this piece. So again, new layer. A little bigger. Let's adjust the angle a little bit. Okay, new layer. Again, same for this one. Let's combine these two, pinch them together. A little bit bigger. Okay, so now we have the end. Well, let's pick the eraser. Get rid of everything that we don't need. Now let's create these curved elements. So new layer. Bigger. Rotate it. That's one. Erase this. Erase this part. Select this piece right here. Let's get rid of this to make a nice overlap. New layer. Now you see that the angle of the curve doesn't quite match this, but we can fix that. To do this, go to Adjustments and to the Liquify tool. And then just push the shape so that it matches the other one. Like so. Erase everything that we don't need. New layer. We can turn off the blue sketch and delete it actually. We don't need that anymore. Another layer. Let's combine these. One more. Now we have two parts that need some filling. And here you can just practice some different Polynesian elements. Now you can even add some more shading if you would like to. But this is just a quick way to create a sleeve in Procreate. Of course, I would advise you to draw a lot of Polynesian shapes. Look on the internet what other artists use, and try to create contrast and interesting compositions. Also look up what the meaning is of different elements. And if you guys like, I will make another video about what every pattern means. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.